See this? This is a fossilized stegosaurus. But look carefully. It almost looks like a dragon. Scientists have not found any fossil evidence of dragons, so based on what we know, they probably don't exist and never did. But it's pretty fascinating to think that every culture has a dragon myth. All around the world, we're telling stories about fire-breathing dragons, about dragons that bring good luck. Why do you think that is? Let's learn more about dragons, and let's strengthen our writing skills in the process. Go on. When you write about dragons or about anything else, you could do this. But this is not very organized. Strong writers organize their thoughts into paragraphs. And paragraphs help us understand where one idea ends and another idea begins. So what do strong writers need to write clear, organized paragraphs? Hamburgers!
That's right, it might sound a little silly, but you can think of a paragraph like a hamburger. The topic sentence is the top of the bun. You can think of your topic sentence as an answer to the question, what's the point, or what am I trying to say? Then you start with your juicy details. The lettuce is juicy detail 1, the cheese, juicy detail 2, the burger, juicy detail 3. Remember that all of these juicy details support the topic sentence, or the main point of the paragraph. Then you end your paragraph with a conclusion, the bottom of the bun.
Now let's put our hamburger paragraph into action.
Read along out loud as I do. Scientists have several theories about why nearly every culture has a dragon myth. One theory suggests ancient people discovered the fossilized remains of dinosaurs and thought they were dragons. Another similar theory is that ancient people mistook the fossilized remains of whales for dragons. A newer idea is that the dragon myth comes from humans' innate fear of snake-like creatures. If innate seems like a tricky word for you, it just means that humans are born with this fear. So whatever the reason for dragons in storytelling, these mythical creatures continue to scare and entertain even today. So let's start with our hamburger bun, the topic sentence, and the conclusion. Notice how the topic sentence is the first sentence of the paragraph, it's indented, and it answers the question, what's the point? So we can see from this topic sentence that this paragraph is going to be about why every or nearly every culture has a dragon myth. And our juicy details, the lettuce, cheese, and burger of our paragraph, are going to support this topic sentence. Woo! So before we move on, let's reread the conclusion together. Whatever the reason for dragons in storytelling, these mythical creatures continue to scare and entertain even today. So what I've done here is I've restated the topic sentence, but I've also added to it. These mythical creatures continue to scare and entertain even today. That's telling the reader that the next paragraph might be about Harry Potter, or Percy Jackson, or other modern examples of dragons in storytelling. So remember to use the conclusion not only to restate the point, but also to tell the reader a little bit about what to expect in the next paragraph. When you take out your notebook and your pen, think of a burger and start writing. Once you've written what you think is your best work, check your paragraph against the burger structure to make sure all of the ingredients are there. You can also use peel to check your work. I don't mean this kind of peel or this kind of peel. I mean the acronym PEEL. Did you use your topic sentence to make a point? Did you provide evidence for that point? Did you explain how your evidence supports the point? And did you use the conclusion to restate the point and then link the paragraph to the next one? If so, you're a paragraph pro. Happy writing, and see you next time. Bye.